Welcome to Channel Iron Speed, the aircraft carrier Queen Elizabeth, a maritime icon of modern Britain. The aircraft carrier Queen Elizabeth is one of the symbols of British maritime power in the modern era. The ship is part of the Queen Elizabeth class, which consists of two ships, HMS Queen Elizabeth and HMS Prince of Wales. As the largest aircraft carrier ever built for the Royal Navy, it marks an important milestone in British military history and combines advanced technology with outstanding operational capabilities. History and background construction of HMS Queen Elizabeth began in 2009 as part of the Royal Navy's modernization program. Its purpose was to replace the obsolete Invincible-class aircraft carriers. The ship is named in honor of Queen Elizabeth I, known as the leader of the glorious era of the British Navy in the 16th century. The ship's construction is carried out by an industry consortium known as the Aircraft Carrier Alliance, which is made up of companies such as BAE Systems, Thales Group, and Babcock International. The ship is assembled at the Rosyth shipyard in Scotland using a modular method in which large parts of the ship are built in various locations before being combined. Ship specifications. HMS Queen Elizabeth is 280 meters long, 73 meters wide, and weighs 65,000 tons. The ship can accommodate up to 1,600 crew members, including pilots and aircrew. The ship is designed to carry up to 40 aircraft, including F-35B, Lightning II fighter jets, and Merlin helicopters. One of the most striking features is the ski-jump-shaped design of the flight deck, which allows the aircraft to take off more efficiently. In addition, the ship is equipped with advanced technologies such as Artisan 3D radar and state-of-the-art communication systems, which ensure its ability to operate in various conditions of modern warfare. The ship also uses an integrated full-electric propulsion system, which utilizes two Rolls-Royce gas turbines and a diesel generator to generate the required power. With a maximum speed of 25 knots, HMS Queen Elizabeth is capable of sailing up to 10,000 nautical miles without refueling. Operations and strategic role. HMS Queen Elizabeth was inaugurated in December 2017 and immediately became an important strategic asset for the UK. The ship is designed to operate as a command center for joint military operations, both at sea, in the air, and on land. In 2021, the ship began its first assignment, Carrier Strike Group 21, CSG-21, on a global mission covering the Indo-Pacific region. During this mission, HMS Queen Elizabeth sailed across 40 countries, including India, Japan, and South Korea. This mission demonstrates the ship's ability to establish international military cooperation while reinforcing the UK's strategic presence in a region that is considered geopolitically important. Technology and innovation. The ship is filled with technological innovations. One of its excellent features is the ability to operate the F-35B fighter jet, which is one of the most advanced combat aircraft in the world. The jet is capable of vertical takeoff and landing, making it ideal for operations on aircraft carriers. In addition, HMS Queen Elizabeth is designed for mission flexibility. The ship can serve as a platform for humanitarian relief operations, evacuation, or even the launch of long-range airstrikes. The ship's security systems are also designed to protect against cyber threats and electronic attacks, making it one of the safest aircraft carriers in the world. Symbol of strength and national pride. More than just a military tool, HMS Queen Elizabeth is also a symbol of national pride. The ship is often the center of attention in international events, such as joint military exercises and state visits. It also reflects Britain's ambition to remain a major maritime power in the 21st century. However, this ship was not without controversy. Its construction and operating costs, which totaled more than £3 billion, drew criticism from some quarters. Despite this, many argue that this investment is worth the strategic benefits obtained. The HMS Queen Elizabeth, with an expected operational lifespan of 50 years, HMS Queen Elizabeth will continue to play an important role in UK defense policy. The ship is expected to adapt to future developments in military technology, including the integration of drones and energy-based weapons. In an increasingly complex and challenging world, HMS Queen Elizabeth is not only an aircraft carrier, but also a symbol of Britain's resilience, innovation, and leadership on the global stage. As one of the most advanced aircraft carriers in the world, it is a testament to Britain's dedication to maintaining maritime security and strengthening its influence in the world. Juan Carlos III aircraft carrier, symbol of the modernization of the Spanish Navy. The aircraft carrier Juan Carlos III, L-61, is one of the pride of the Spanish Navy, Armada Española. It is a combination of a light aircraft carrier and amphibious ship, making it a versatile platform that serves as the backbone of Spanish military operations. With its modern design and advanced technology, Juan Carlos III reflected Spain's ambition to remain relevant in the international maritime world. History and background. In the early 2000s, Spain faced the need to replace the aging multipurpose ship Príncipe de Asturias. In an effort to improve operational capabilities, the Spanish government decided to build an aircraft carrier that is also capable of supporting amphibious operations, humanitarian assistance, and NATO missions. The construction of Juan Carlos was started in 2005 by Navantia, a well-known Spanish shipbuilding company. The ship was named in honor of King Juan Carlos I, who led Spain during the transition to democracy post-Franco era. The ship was launched in March 2008 and officially entered service with the Spanish Navy in September 2010. Specifications and design. The Juan Carlos submersible ship is 231 meters long, 32 meters wide, and a full weight of about 26,000 tons. The ship is designed to combine the capabilities of an aircraft carrier and an amphibious ship, which makes it very flexible in a variety of situations. First, flight deck and hangar. The Juan Carlos I flight deck is equipped with ski jumps at the ends, allowing takeoff of aircraft with STOVL, short takeoff and vertical landing, approaches. It can operate aircraft such as the AV-8B Harrier II and F-35B Lightning II, as well as various helicopters such as the NH-90 and CH-47 Chinook. The hangar below the flight deck can accommodate up to 12 additional aircraft, which can be transported to the deck using a large elevator. The hangar is also designed to accommodate military vehicles, such as tanks and armored personnel carriers. Second, load capacity. As an amphibious ship, Juan Carlos I had a deck for vehicles and an internal dock for landing craft. The dock can accommodate up to 4 LCM-1E landing craft, designed to carry troops and equipment to shore. In addition, the ship is capable of transporting up to 1,200 personnel, including crew, marine troops, and command staff. This ability allowed Juan Carlos I to be the center of command in major military operations. 3. Propulsion system and speed. The ship uses an integrated full electric propulsion system, with 2 General Electric LM2500 gas turbine generators and 2 diesel generators. The ship is capable of a maximum speed of 21 knots and a range of up to 9,000 nautical miles. Fourth, armament and defense. Juan Carlos I was equipped with modern defense systems, including anti-aircraft guns, close-in weapon systems, and advanced radar. The system is designed to protect ships from air and sea threats. Function and strategic role. 1. Light aircraft carrier. Juan Carlos I was often used as an aircraft carrier to support air operations. Capable of operating STOVL fighters and helicopters, the ship serves as an air platform for the Spanish Navy in a variety of missions, including maritime patrol and long-range air support. 2. Amphibious ships. As an amphibious ship, Juan Carlos I was designed to support landing operations in coastal areas. Its internal docks and carrying capacity allow it to be a logistical hub in land military operations. 3. Humanitarian aid. Juan Carlos I also played an important role in humanitarian aid and disaster relief missions. With a large capacity to carry medical, food, and labor supplies, the ship is often used to assist areas affected by natural disasters. Use in operation. Since joining the Española fleet, Juan Carlos I has been used in various operations. The ship is a mainstay in international military exercises, NATO missions, and multinational operations. The ship also demonstrates its flexibility in humanitarian missions, such as helping countries affected by disasters or refugee crises. In recent years, Juan Carlos I has participated in joint military exercises with other European countries and the United States. This operation strengthened cooperation between the Allies and ensured Spain's readiness in the face of global maritime challenges. Global influence, designs adopted by other countries. The success of Juan Carlos First in meeting the needs of Spain attracted the attention of other countries. The design of this ship was adopted by Australia and Turkey to build their own ships. Australia used similar designs to build HMAS Canberra and HMAS Adelaide. These two ships have been the mainstay of the Royal Australian Navy in military and humanitarian operations.